The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Morning, welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday, we're right on. We might be getting into a trade here. I've already taken a trade this morning for a 6-point winner. Oh, wow, that's a big candle. Maybe not going to take this. Wow, where's this coming from? Oh, yeah, we're not taking that. That's actually a news candle. I forgot. Bank of England rate decision just came out. Bring up financial news. I believe that's what it was. Bank of England. I saw something that was happening right at the top of the hour today. Yeah, Bank of England vote a rate statement. They raised it also 25 basis points apparently. So that's where that big candle just came from. So we're gonna stay out of that. But I did get that win just a few minutes ago. You can see it there. Entry of 12.827 out at 12.833. 6 points. Start the day. I should have taken that candle maybe, but hey. So anyway, as the indices fall, so are the days of our lives. Good morning, Matt. Crypticon, I guess you went back to bed. Early bird gets the worm. Who likes worms? Anyway. After FOMC yesterday, we had a tremendous drop on the indices. NQ fell over 200 points. ES fell 65. And I mean, even more from the highs. Tried to rebound overnight. It's pulling back a little bit now. Low of the day. 39.70. High was 4,001. So about 31 points. NQ low a day. 694. High a day. 855. So about 160. Morning, Sid. Good to see you. Copper sitting about mid-range. Range is about 140 ticks. Gold about 18 points. Also about mid-range. Ultra bond. The bond that's ultra, but over a point in range. Natural gas. 60 ticks of range. Things about mid-range right now too. Oil got back above 70. A little less than, yeah, easy for me to say. A little less than a point in range. Bitcoin up to 27,645, pulling back yesterday as well. So that's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you want to take. And we're ready to rock the markets. Like I said, already 1 for 1 on the morning. It was right here. Took that bullish engulfing there. Came up, pulled back, hit my target in this candle. So Ox be happy to start the morning that way. We're continuing to fall here. So the market did not like the Bank of England's decision so far. Now we have our own jobless claims coming up in about 25 minutes. As we do every week at this time. Like we always do about this time. Good morning, Robin. Yeah, beats. Binaural beats. Yep, I agree. Money. Everybody has a price. Little Ted DiBiase. Push him back up. Morning, John. How did the game go yesterday? Obviously, yesterday, FOMC, they raised the interest rates another 25 basis points. Market didn't like it. Be interested to see how it rebounds today. It's tried to rebound overnight, but now the Bank of England's piling on. Ouch, sorry to hear that, John. We're short. Give me a second here. 13, that's 7, so I need 10. Looks like this is not going to work out, but we'll see. Yeah, this was this isn't probably isn't going to work out. So we'll see. Morning, Kevin. ATR has gotten above 5, so we could switch to micros. After this trade, obviously, it'd be hard to switch mid-trade. I think this is actually stair-stepping back up. Nice, John. Yep, we have unemployment in 2 minutes. This is going to stop me out. Take away my earlier gains. There we go. So I should have recognized possibly that pattern is down, up. There's a reversal candle up. This is the one back down and then back up. Try to rebound off that news candle. Up to the yeah, 20 EMA. Seeing what it wants to do here. And rejecting. Two bars, pulling back and then up. Thank everyone for joining me this morning. Hope we're ready for a great day. Wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button if you expect to enjoy the stream. I appreciate it. Kind of choppy right now. 15 minutes before the unemployment report. ES is below its 20 and 100, and Q above at 20 but below the 100, so we got that sandwich going again. Move down. This is a bearish engulfing, but I really don't like. I think I don't like it. Uh, Coming up higher lows. You can see the big wick on that candle, so we'll wait on that one. So John, did you decide to get another account, or and are you copy trading it, or haven't you gotten there yet? Good morning, Nick. Nice, John. Or afternoon, Nick, I should say. This is what you call a choppy up move. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. As it tries to climb back up that news candle. And we have more news coming up in just a few minutes. Another 55 days. That's a long eval. Wake me up before you go. Yeah, market's a little deadish, but we got unemployment news, jobless claims coming up in 10 minutes, so that should maybe put a little injection of liquidity into the market. Yeah. Get a little nap, Matt. Get a little nap. So one loss so far this morning. Nice rise here. It's an 8-point candle. It's like a candle on the chart. uh, yep, Matt. You don't know the power you hold. Oh, right back down. Back down to the 100. Bouncing on it. Awesome, Robin. Great job. Juan, hope you're having a good day. Morning, Philip. Nice to see you. Now we're just choppy with bigger candles and a slightly higher priced action. Oh, you're done for the day already, Juan. I'm assuming it was a good day. When do you start trading, Juan? What time of day? Did you just like come on and get something real quick, or have you been trading for a few hours? Matt, what people are doing while they're trading is none of our business. Awesome, Juan. Glad to hear you had a green day. It's kind of blah down here to 12,819. Sitting on the 20. Good morning, Imad. Doing well. Thanks for asking. Bullish engulfing here on ES, but went away. Neither of the NQ charts giving it. I gotta look at the whole using ES as well. Gotta look at the success rate of that. Yep, that bullish engulfing went away. Now we're trying to break below the 20 here and the 100. We're just sitting here being choppy. Good morning, Leonardo. How's the trading been going? Pop back up there. Nice long wick underneath that candle, too. Wow. Yep, we got news coming up in 2 minutes. Places, everybody. It is the Engulfing Candles Detector by Dave ATT. Okay, so jobless claims, 1 minute. We have more news coming up in an hour and a half. U.S. new home sales, and then at 11 o'clock, Eurozone consumer confidence. Boom. Down, right back up. Wow. So it whipped down by 7. Came right back up. Now trying to whip down. Let's see if we got numbers. Let's see what the numbers are. Not out yet. Waiting. Oh, there we go. Jobless claims 191K. They expected 100. Excuse me, 197K. So a slight beat on that. Economy continues to rock and roll. News candle flashing me there with a bullish engulfing. Have not tested bullish engulfings on news candles, but that's an interesting candle right there. I should have taken it. Wow. Well, I guess I shouldn't say it. That would have been let's see, 24 down 11, 13 points. Yeah, I need to switch over the micros. Probably would have been much more secure taking that. That said, I think this constant switching between micros and minis probably is not a good thing for me. Because if I end up taking a couple losses on when I'm on the minis and then switch over to the micros, it's going to be hard to get back. I'm really not doing a consistent 1.5 to 1 because it's two different levels of assets. I think I could be wrong in that entire analysis. That said, I'm glad I didn't take that candle. Well, technically, by my laws, it would not have stopped out yet. Wow, bearish engulfing back down. See, I gotta get better at this news and the open because it shows that these types of moves can be very profitable with my strat. But for now, I've just been spectatoring. Spectatoring? Really? What the heck is spectatoring? Spectating. Spectatoring is when you're watching something while eating a potato. So we do here at MightyOxTrading, we create new words. I think everyone's sitting there shocked from reading Matt and For Money's conversation. So far, neither one of those triggers candles would have worked. Climbing back up this candle. Morning, JC. How's the trading been going? I'm 1 for 2. Probably slightly red, but I don't look at my AP and L until I'm done. Back above the 20 and 100. 20 and 100 are still trying to like wrap around, but nice move back up, gaining almost this entire news candle. Back. So down, back up. See if it pivots again here. Yeah, purple pivot. One eye, one ear, flying purple pivot eater. I don't know. Staying above the 20 for now, though. Back to green. Back to red or purple. We are choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Rising up. We got up to 829 and the spike up before we spike down. Overall, in these hourly candles, we really haven't gone anywhere. Wow, but the bonds, look at the bonds. Almost a full point down there. Morning, Ace. How's Ace today? Please no killing anyone here on the stream. I haven't hired a janitorial staff to clean up the mess. Ace, what do you think happened to Vincent the Ace? Getting a bullish engulfing here on the micro chart. Getting ready. Still got 40 seconds. I've heard that line many times, Matt. Yeah, I kind of shocked Matt and Robin yesterday by saying I've never seen the original Top Gun. It's trying again here. Big boom. uh, we're long here. No idea if I got the math right. It looks close. Yeah, I was just working on adjusting the stop and target before I turned on the chart. Uh, 3.5 by set. Yes, yes it is. I got slippage when I got in, so I'm actually like in at 828.25. Oh, nice move up there. 825 is the stop. Ah, did not hit my target yet. So yeah, 7. It should be 6.5 for 2R. I actually have my. It's actually better than 2R. Eh, but it did not hit it. It's coming back down. Thank you, Nick. Yeah, it's actually a little bit better. I could actually move the target down like a tick or two. I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. It looks like it's ready to be hit. Of course, there, target hit. There we go. Oh, looks like I'm still. I didn't adjust this trailing stop thingy. So we'll just trail it right to there. You guys know that movie by heart, don't you? I'm trailing this with the one. I mean, because I didn't adjust it, but that was also a trigger candle that I hit my target on. So I might as well just let this kind of trail here and see what happens. Oh, you're not bothering me, guys. Wait, theoretically, I could actually put this. Let's just do that. Put this down. This is the bottom of that trigger candle and see where it goes. Although it looks like it's going to reverse here. We won on four micro contracts. That trigger candle was 7 point. Would be 7, so be looking for 10 more points from 8:35. So looking for 8:45. Good morning, John. And now it's like actually trailing. Hey, Speed Racer. Can it take us higher? All right, we're out there. It did hit, actually did hit 45, but since I didn't have an actual target there, it didn't hit. But so anyway, that was an excellent win there. We were in at 8:28. We got out at 8:35 on 4 of them. Actually, they all ended up being 8:35. Really? No, 4 at 8:35 and 1 at 8:42. So there we go. Very nice win. I really need to remember to take away that trailing, though. It surprises me every time it happens. So 2 wins, 1 loss today, all following my plan. One of those, the first win actually came before the stream started. I was sitting here, saw it, and took it. How are things going today, John? Did you have your algo running at all for the FOMC yesterday, John, or did you have it turned off? I did not trade FOMC or the aftermath of it. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I wasn't sure. I know, John, sometimes you say the algo did whatever your criteria is, and it wasn't found, so I wasn't sure if it was running or not. But if I had traded the aftermath of FOMC yesterday in the 2 hours, I did my back testing for the whole day like I normally do, and those 2 hours I would have made 54 points. Assuming I was brave enough, I would have been brave enough to take, to use very big stop losses. Hanging around the 100 again. And trying to send me a bearish engulfing here off the 100. Small candle. A bigger candle now. Let's say size doesn't matter. Short. And before I stopped out before I could even. Wait, what just happened? It's That was odd. I moved the stop and only moved two of them. So I've stopped out with two, still in the trade with three. Now I've stopped out with all of them. So that one didn't work. But it was only a 3-point stop, so we'll see whether I should have made that 5. That was weird. I forgot. Somehow, I'm not sure how 5 didn't move with me when I changed the stop. So let's see. I've toyed with using a minimum of a 5-point stop. So let's see if that would have been better or worse here. Actually, using the 20 EMA might have been better. Let's just do our 5. See where it goes. Just more part of my testing. Yeah, right now I've been back in the profit. So let's see. We shall see. Looks like it's gonna try to reach out. Yeah, okay. Either way, I would have stopped out. So using the stop where I had it saved me money. Like a coupon. Buy one stop, get one stop free. 3 minutes till the top of the hour, about 33 minutes until the bell. And the whistles. Sandwich between the 20 and the 100. Looking for some direction. So we'll install a GPS on the chart. Back down. Another. I needed to break that 100. It's just breaking it, but yeah. 30 seconds to the side. We're still sandwiched between the 20 and the 100. So I didn't take it because it did not break the 100. It's kind of bouncy. Top of the hour. Energies markets are opening. Crude's been falling. Which way does it want to go? Now we're above the 100. We're long. 19 to 26 is 7, so I need 10, I believe. 26, so 36. Yep, it's still choppy. Stopped out. Coming down hard. I need to find direction. I should have waited. Of course, now it finds direction. Down, up, down. 3 straight trigger candles in a row. And they both, all of them were piercing the 100 and the 20. So my mistake there wasn't not taking this one. But my mistake was just not staying out altogether until it found direction. Also, ES never sent me a nice little blue candle there, so ES kind of led the direction there. So we'll wait for our next opportunity. Nice fall here. This is a good chance of hitting the, if I had taken the short off that one, good chance of hitting that profit target. We'll see. Do have this support down here at 804. Got down a little bit below it there at 803. You see this all the way down here, got down to 800 exactly. Looks like it wants to bounce here though. About 24 minutes till the bell. Good morning, Linux. Just watching the price action. Curling back up. Hopefully get some more excitement after the bell. Ouch. Kind of boring right now. And y'all ain't entertaining me. Yeah, I agree, Nick. It's been kind of slow. See what happens, I guess, when the bell rings. Besides Angel getting its wings. Thank you for that reminder, Chase. That's a nice candle. 10-point candle. Watching here. Okay, there's a bullish engulfing. We're above the 20 and the 100, so we'll see how this candle finishes. Or at least it's a bullish engulfing by the standards of this indicator. Technically, an engulfing candle should go above the actual wick, but that's not the way this indicator works, and I haven't been looking at that. 30 seconds on this candle. We'll see how it finishes. Remember, it's not how you start, it's how you finish, and that includes candles. Ten seconds. Long. Stop place. Stop is 4, so we're looking for 8. That's what, 35, 75. Okay. There you go, rising up. Rising up to be counted. Morning, Crypticon. Welcome back. Looking for 12,835. So we should be looking for 12,836. That's a 4. It's almost a 5-point stop, so we should be looking for one more point besides that. There we go. Now we're good. Tad bit worried that we're petering out. We shall see. 15 minutes till the bell. Yes, giving me a blue candle. Back under my entry. It's struggling. It's not getting above 833 here. It's bounced its head off of it twice, almost a third time on that one. That's not looking good. Oh, coming back up though. Good pattern recognition there, Crypticon. There's another blue candle on all charts right now. Flirting with it at least. 12 minutes to the bell. Was another sugar candle there. It's trying. Thank you, Nick. See if we can break that 33. Seeing 33 on the ask there. There's a bunch of orders sitting there. There we broke 33. Looking for 36. 36. Yeah, easy for me to face. 36 3/4. Oh, back under. Still not breaking that 33 convincingly. Yes, I agree, Nick. Now, one thing about the back test you did yesterday, Nick, and there's no way to back test actually the full way I do this strategy. Because remember, I'm actually calling trigger candles from 2 or even 3 different assets: the micro, the mini, and sometimes the ES. So I think actually the micro gives me more triggers than the mini does, but I'm not sure. But so yeah, I'm getting triggers from 3 different charts. $10 till the bell. Yeah, I agree. That's okay. I won't ban you for the caps. No kidding. Shine again here. Now, see here, there is a part of me that thinks we've hit 33 here like 6 different times, moving my stop to 33 almost seems like it makes sense. But alas, I am letting it go. See if it can give me that last few points. There we go, 34, 35. Do I hear 36? I want to hear 36. Do I hear 36? 35, 35. I adjusted the stop earlier when I realized my math was off, and if I hadn't done that, then it just would have hit my hit the target. Yeah, I was thinking about that yesterday. Oop, pull back. Back down to 30. Choppy to the side here. Been in this trade now for about 10 minutes. Making another run. Again, hitting that 33. The only way I'm going to hold this at open, Sid, is if at that point I would move my stop to break even. Just because I never hold at the open, I don't even test for that. I probably should, but I don't even test for that. So if I decide to if I'm still in this trade at the open, I'll move the stop to a tick above break even and see what happens. But that's not going to be an issue. There we go. Oh yeah, I still have this darn trailing stop. Target hit. Patience paid off. Move the trailing right below the end of this candle and see if we get anything else out of it. Now, you know what? Closing it out. Not even going to try that. That was too hard. Thank you, Nick. So we got 9 points there. And a long trade for me. I've had 13 minutes. But honestly, there was nothing. Normally, internally, it's screaming at me, move the stop to break even, or move the stop up some. And I just wasn't feeling that anxiety. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Sorry. There was a couple times I thought I was a goner. That first pullback right there, and then when this candle formed a big wick and was actually a bearish engulfing, I was like, yeah, we're probably dead. But yeah, it's been amazing. It really has been. Where were you like 2 years ago? uh, wow, and look at it go now. Eh. So choppy move out. We are now about 2.5 minutes till the bell. Look at that. So we could have did a 3-for-1. No, kidding. But yeah, it's still rising up here. Every one of these trigger candles along the way would have worked. This one, which would have been iffy because of having, I hate triggers that have small bodies and wicks both ways. That one would have been the iffiest one. But it would not have stopped out with the right stop placement of below that, the edge of that wick. And all three of these would have worked if I had entered at any point. The other thing I need to test is if it makes sense to, if I'm in a trade and get another trigger candle while I'm in that trade, does it make sense to add to the position? Wow, look at this go. 30 seconds to the bell. High day on NQ is 855. We're right below that now. High day on ES, 4001, a little bit further away. Ding, 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 ding. New high day right before the bell. And new highs of days as it goes up from the bell here. Wow, and I was worried about that. Could have got 30 points. No, I'm kidding. But, wow. Strong move up here. Just hit a high of 868 ES. Did not hit a new high. 39.99.25. Wow, look at this go. 20-point candle. 25-point candle. Morning, Andrew. That's quite the move. If you're enjoying today's stream, as Andrew just said, smash that like button. So 882 pulling back now. Getting a bullish engulfing here. Okay, it went away. It's flirting with me. Down there on the micro chart. Went away. 10 seconds on this candle. That looks like it's gone. New high again. Are we going to get it back up to 12,900? Since I'm not going to get a trade here, let's look at this. So before FOMC, or the high before the FOMC crashed it, yesterday it was 40.47 on ES. Hard to see on NQ because of my drawings, but 12,990. So still a ways to go before we see those type of numbers. And big red candle, big red wick. I like red wicks. Pulling back. So that quickly went from 888 to 868. 20 points. Going back. Let's try and get back that whole big impulse candle there. 20 points. Remember at the top of the hour, we have U.S. new home sales. I don't remember how much that moves the market. I keep saying I need to take notes of this stuff, and then I never take notes of this stuff. Trying to show some life here, but getting beaten down. So we had one bit of excitement there, and then all of a sudden it all went away. That's a possible reversal, though. Watching, looking, waiting. ES showing more strength there than NQ, and now we're getting a bullish engulfing on NQ. It's getting beaten back down. Let's see. We have 40 seconds on this candle. It's flirting with me. ES is sitting right on 4,000. So ES did end up hitting a new high day, by the way. I forgot to mention that. There we go. That's a solid bullish engulfing now. Very solid. 12 points. That's going to be a big stop. And a big target. Long. Get my stop in place, and then I'll show you the chart. 11 points. 11 and a half. It's not looking good already. 64, 84. So I think we want that. There we go. So let's see here. Need to put that there. This might stop me out before I even make sure I have the right things in. Oh, I got too high of a target. How about that? 884. There we go. But ouch. Stop. Stopped out. So that was a dangerous trigger count. I was kind of questioning it because we have been coming down, 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 down. That was kind of the same trigger candle that got me earlier on this one here on the other side. Almost kind of the same pattern. And if I can figure out how to weed those out, I will. So far, I have not been able to identify the pattern to weed it out. Popping right back up. Getting beaten down. Trying to rebound. ES looking strong. Now there we go. NQ looking strong. Now this was part of my strategy before this 20 cross, and I haven't been doing that lately. That would have been beautiful. Wow, look at that go. Holy crap. Let me make sure that wasn't some sort of news. Oh, we have a Bank of England guy speaking. He said we were able to resolve the issues in banks. I think that's what just spurred that. So if anyone got that wrong, you owe the Bank of England speaker a thank you. Speaking of England, no Avi today. No RJ yet today. No Chris today. Everybody's missing today. Yes, we do. Getting a bullish engulfing. Big candle, 12 and a half. See if it holds. Not holding. It's holding on ES. ES been stronger than NQ though. You see the candles being beaten down. Wow, beaten down the red. Gotta come back up. Oops. Almost put my finger on the wrong button. I have it ready to go in case it does throw me the engulfing candle in the last couple of seconds, but almost had it on sell instead of buy. Should have been bad. Well, I've had mistakes like that work out in the past where I've hit the wrong direction and turned out my idea was totally wrong and I ended up winning the trade, but it's not something you really want to do. So ended up not being an engulfing candle, but it's still heading up. Trying to get to that high, 892. It's trying to sniff 12,900. ES up to 4,775. So nothing can kill this market, it seems like. I mean, it came down big yesterday, but rebounding today. ES staying around 4,000. A lot of people predicted a huge crash by now, and that has just not happened. Oh, the blue trigger candle. Yep, went away again. Big move back down. 21, 22 point candle. Wow. all of a sudden we're falling. So whatever the Bank of England guy's saying, they don't like it anymore. $8.92 down to $8.52. 40-point drop. Trying to bounce again. Flirting there. Big wick back up. Now it is sending a bullish engulfing, but we're above the 100 and sitting right on the 20, so it's not a valid entry for me. Kind of want to take the long here, honestly. Yeah, but a 10-point stop, so we needed 15 points, so 69 up to 84. Excuse me. Back. And rejecting down. Choppiness again. Up, down, left, right, left, right. Ace, have you gotten 2 points yet? Inquiring minds want to know. Nice. Hey, there's RJ. Welcome, RJ. We got a bullish engulfing. $15 seconds on this candle. It's flirting. Went away. Up, came back. Went away. Wow, I missed it because it ended up being a bullish on the last second. Try and limit order to see if it comes back down. Yeah, we're in. We're in like Flynn, as they say. Good luck, JC, on that. Rise it up here. That like stops trailing without. I don't need it. I need it to stop doing that. think it cashed out on one. Wow, it hit my target on one there. Okay, I need to fix that trailing stop. So I ended up getting something out of that. We'll see whether it would have actually hit my actual target. I got to correct that trailing stop today. Take that out. Although it may have saved me here. But anyway, we got 69 to 82. 13 points on one. 8 points on... No, 6 points on the other. So it was a winning trade, but the target, I got to remove that trailing. So let's just watch this. This is a trade. No, wait. This is the trade. Duh. Actually, that would have just stopped me out. No, it wouldn't have. Duh. Yeah, I'm totally forgetting how my trades work. Yeah. Okay, there. And we're looking for 1.5. So there. So I've been looking for, I didn't even look. 869.75. That is where, no, that's not right. Duh. Try 888.75. It's about where I had my original target, I believe. I do gotta get better at figuring this math. So let's see if that trailing stop I had in there ends up killing me. I guarantee you, though, I would have felt a little bit of apprehension if that had come all the way back down to my entry point. But you can see it bounced right back up. That was another trigger candle, actually. I could have got back in here as I'm here trying to figure his math out. And I will get back in here if it comes back up. Obviously, I won't if it continues to move down. Okay, we're back in. They're still showing the chart? Yes, I am. So, stop there, right there, 67 to 14. Morning, Glitch. Not looking good. Fading down that big candle. Oh, there we go. There's another blue candle. Can it continue to head up? Bulls and bears are fighting. Entry was 881, which was exactly the entry point. Looking for 12,900. How's the trading going today, Glitch? There we go. There's a rise up. Ah, there's that trailing stop again. Move. Out with one. Out there. I'm getting wins here, but unfortunately, okay. Let me see if I can go edit this right now. None. None. News in a minute. Home sales. There we go. Thank you, Glitch. Although I think I've already that trailing stop cost me a full win twice now. I think. So now we have news here. Obviously cost me the full win there. I'm not sure about the second one. Ten seconds till new home sales report. Wow, boom, whoa, boom, bust. I mean, it was like 3 different colors there on that candle. Yeah, so that trailing stop cost me a full win on both, either one of those triggers. So I've eliminated that now, I think. I'll have to check after stream to make sure I got it right. New home sales actual 0.64 million, forecast was 0.6495 million, so it's close. Yes, up to 4009. RJ said 4020 earlier. See if we continue to rise up. Again, you know, it sent me back to back to back triggers there, and all of them would have worked. Just like earlier when we were looking at it. Rising high. But Bitcoin's still tumbling. We reached the high there, 4011 ES, 12920 NQ. Glad to hear that, iMac. Good job. A big wick. We have one more bit of new, well, maybe it's a bigger news. Eurozone consumer confidence coming up the top of the next hour. So we will probably let the stream run a couple minutes to see how the market reacts to that. A couple minutes after the top of the hour. Okay. Popping back up here. Tickled its 20. Sounds dirty. It tickled its 20. Trying to climb back up that last big red candle. Up, down, up, coming back. Bullish engulfing on ES and Q. Not so much. Yeah, I think I got rid of it now, Nick. I'll test it. Well, I mean, if I had another trade, I guess we could test it, but I think I reset it without now. That's the second time today now we gotta, move up where three different, there was three trigger candles in a row that would have worked. Where any of the ones along the way. I forget where the other one was though. Might have been on the micro chart. Oh, here, this one. Boom, 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 boom. It was pretty close, like 5 points. And when NQ's going quick, 5 points is just a, a twitch. And since it was part of an ATM with a set stop and target, and I'm moving these targets and stops based on the size of the trigger candle, it really wasn't working out because that started trailing at I think 10 points, and my target was actually 19 points. There we go. Ooh, okay, that's a huge candle. Wow, 15 points to high a day. That's not gonna go away. I just this one I'm really iffy on. Let's give it half back. Let's see what happens in the next 20 seconds. 10 seconds. I really want this to crash red. Ooh, wow. That's a 20-point candle. I am not jumping in on that candle. That ended up being a 20-point candle. We'll make that a learning candle and see whether or not that would have ended up. I would have been in a 21 and three-quarter point stop, which means I've been shooting for another 33 points, I believe, for the target. Nick, if you ever start live streaming, you should call your channel Treadmill Trading. Sending me another bullish engulfing here. Or it was. Yeah, 1.5 off of that would have ended up being 132 ticks. I know a lot of people who went 420, RJ. You know your target's big when you can't even see it on the screen. Oh, sorry, I still had the NinjaTrader chart up. I apologize, guys. Tell me when I do that. So, for what they posted on their Discord yesterday, Blue Sky is getting Tradovate and TradingView sometimes pretty soon, it seems like. I don't know if I'll be able to switch to TradingView and Tradovate or not. Popping back up. Hanging here at 12,930. ES is around 40.15. Trying to get. Oh, well, there we go. Look at that move. 40.18. Really close to that 40.20 that RJ wants. Oh, I know. I never doubted you, RJ. A little bit of a pullback. These are highs a day for each asset. But pulling back again. Pulling back again. Are you long there, Andrew? Excellent glitch. Flirting with a bullish engulfing here with a big wick. And went away. Flirting with a bullish engulfing here. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Andrew. And wow, that's a great job, Andrew. Here we go. Maybe, maybe, maybe. We're long. 8-point stop means 12-point target. There. It's going to stop me out before I even show the window. There we go. Hasn't yet. Twenty-eight's the stop. Another type of candle I need to look at. This is in consolidation. I notice these often don't work out, and we're stopped out. Wait, why did all of a sudden it decides it doesn't want to show my NinjaTrader chart? Not sure why. Oh, I know why. I think. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oops. Cancel. I took the loss there. That long wick there should have kind of maybe told me to stay out, but I'm noticing that these kinds of candles are the ones that don't work when we're going kind of sideways. You can see how we were not really sideways, we were constantly still trying to trend up, but back down to 40.12 on ES, 40.12, I'm sorry, 12.928 on NQ. Strong move down. It's still a green trade, right? Glitch. Glad to hear it. Bouncing back up. NQ is above its 20. ES is below it. Mixed signals. Yep, there's ES above it. Or trying to get there. Yep, there we go. Making another run to the top. Nice pretend trade there, Andrew. Good job. It's trying to come back up again. There we go. There's the run. Now, ES pulled back enough there to send an engulfing candle, but boom, there's 40.18 again. NQ, new high of day at 54. So this is getting interesting. Look at this. Fading down a little bit again. NQ hit a high of 58 there. Pulled back to 47. About a half an hour left to go. We could probably, like I said, we'll probably go a minute or two later today because we have news coming out right at the top of the hour. This isn't as interesting anymore as it fades down, back down to what would have been about the area of entry. Good morning, heavies. Not afraid of falling. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now they're bounce on the 100. We're bouncing in the dark. And coming down. Coming down, 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 down. ES back below 20, and now NQ is as well. Quick wick back up. Kind of boring right now. I just had forgot about natural gas inventories. We'll check those real quick. Natural gas seems all wonky there. Not doing much though. Look at crude. Crude got well new high day since we started. We're just sitting on the 20 here. ES below its 20 though. Looking for some action. A little less chop and a lot more action. How we all doing out there? We green, we red. It's trying to move back up. See if it works or not. Work, 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 work. Oh, back down. Oh, I like the look of it on ES better than I like it on NQ. You'll get it back there, have ease. You're gonna stay green, I'm mad. Look at all those wicks. We got wicks in the mix. Oop, it's trying to send me a bullish engulfing there. Ugh. Ooh, big bullish engulfing actually. Tell I'm not real enthused by it. But we're long. 14 points on the stop. 21 points on the target. That's even bigger than the other thing. Target at 962. Stop is at 927. This wick got up to 958. We're at 951 now. We're going to have to watch for that resistance. Okay, seems like I did eliminate the trailing stop because it would already had triggered at this point if it was still on. One back, tad. There's 953. There we go. We got some green. Now would be the great time for to hit RJ's 40-20 target because that'll take NQ with it to my target, I believe. Oh, whoa, target hit. Wow, baby. 21 points. That makes Ox a happy Ox. Look at that. It hit my target at 62. It only went one more point after, then pulled back. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Juan. Appreciate it. Andrew, Hafiz. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Trace. Glitch, thank you. And you heard me say I was not real enthused about taking that trade. You know, we had all this chop and then this sudden candle, and I'm like, I'm just walking into a trap, but boom. I do need to see whether or not I had the right stop. Remember, I'm doing these stops and targets in my head as I'm going. So let's see if I had the right, had them close. 41, no wait, 27. Entry was 40.75. Actually, I got slippage on the entry. 41.50. So there we go. 58 point. That would be the 986 for the target. Yeah, perfect. So that was the target would have been 63. Wow, yeah, I was only one tick off on the target for what the. So I'm getting better at this math stuff as well. And while I was doing that, I missed another bullish engulfing though. Ipsy. Missed this one here on the micro chart. So let's mark that one off. Yeah, I did that earlier, Nick. I didn't for this one because it's already was already going. Yeah, I actually did that earlier on one of those that did the trailing stop wins. I actually did that and it worked out. Looks like this one, see, 950 would have been the stop. 958. I got the entry right. 34.17. So looking for 51, I believe. Yeah, yeah. This one would have worked too. Wow, look at it. Oh my God, what's going on? So that would have been another winning trade. And RJ just got his 40-20 and more. If there's some sort of news, or if this is just, oh, we have a, no, that was 10 minutes ago. I guess the question is, if I get in like 10 seconds late, how much does it matter? I'm not sure how to backtest that. Just because there's no, I don't have access to like 10-second charts, so uh, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, right, right, yeah, yeah. I don't think this would have came back and hit a limit order by the time I saw it, so that's why I didn't bother. But yeah, you're right. Uh, yeah, I could do 10-second charts on Ninja, but I hate charting on Ninja. I hate charting on Ninja. Why do I hate charting on Ninja? I don't know. It just doesn't feel as intuitive. I mean, maybe it's just me not learning Ninja as but Trading View just feels comfortable to me. Yeah, I know lots of people that prefer charting on Trading View even though they execute on Ninja. Oh, we just hit 13,000. Who had hitting 13,000 in their playbook today? Yes, 40-27-75 is the high. little bit of a pullback. All good. Ending the day green, I assume. Andrew, I'm not sure that's the best idea. Right, are you typing and driving, Andrew? Excellent. Hey, Laughter, good to see you. Long, I'm a couple ticks delayed on that. 98 to 08. So looking for 10 with a 7-point stop. Really late there, actually, by 2.5 points. I was looking away from the chart and like, that's a blue candle. For 13,008 half, about 4 more points. If I had gotten into the right spot, I would already be at target. Nice, Laughter. I do appreciate all the support today. For those of you that have enjoyed the stream that haven't hit the like button yet, I would appreciate if you do. But we don't pressure you. Well, Ace pressures you. Back to my entry. $30.06 was the high of this move. I'm looking for 13,006. I'm looking for 13,008 half. We have more news coming in 5 minutes. Eurozone consumer confidence. Back down to my entry. It's coming down from my stop. Okay, stopped out. So a couple minutes ago on the stream, looking at P&L, actually was not a great P&L day. It was up and down. I'm gross 110, but I've spent 58 on commissions. So $52 green right now. Will be my 4th straight green day. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to ditch the micros and just trade straight one mini. Now we have news in a minute. I am getting a. It's trying to send me a. Was trying to send me a bullish golfing there. We have the consumer confidence report for the Eurozone coming out. Thank you. All right. I can start it on Monday. It's a big blue candle there, 12 points. Not taking it because of the news report. News report's not rocking my socks. Eurozone consumer confidence negative 19.2. Expected was negative 18.2. So it looks like, first of all, Eurozone consumer confidence does not really move things much. And second of all, I should have taken the trade. Let's see here. 96.50. So 52 and 26 is 78. Been looking for 78 ticks on this. So I've been looking for 1950, which is a very good year. Need to start working from home, Andrew. And I realize that's probably possible depending on what you do. So watch this just for a couple more minutes to see whether or not that would have hit. The only reason it not, I mean, I actually liked that candle. The only reason I didn't take it was because of the news report. But again, when I'm back testing, with the exception of the big ones, CPI, PPI, uh, non-farm payrolls, and FOMC, I have no idea what news reports are hitting when I'm back testing. I don't go back and say, oh, this would have been Eurozone consumer confidence. So, except for those big ones, I probably should just ignore the news and do the strategy that I'm back testing for. This would have got so close. Now it's pulling back. We'll go to 5 after, see what this, if this ends up proving it. ES new high 40.35.75. NQ's high 13.013. So NQ did get above yesterday's high, which was, wait, I can't tell. Too many lines in the way. No, it did not get above yesterday's high. I apologize. 13.082 was yesterday's high, so not quite there yet. Needs another 80 points. ES needs another 40 points. NQ got above the wick of the FOMC candle. ES has not. Market's slowed to a crawl. Okay. So we're gonna call it there since isn't actually a trade I'm in. There's no reason to really watch it. If anyone wants to know if I hit target, you can watch it yourselves. The target would have been 13.016. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Another small green day, another day that I executed really well. And that makes me happy. Oh, watch this. Hold on. Nope. So I just got to keep doing it, and I'm feeling really comfortable right now. And thank you all for a lot of you that have been here through all this and have convinced me a couple of times not to quit. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Wow, RJ, that's an awesome trade. Great job, Crypticon. Have a great day, everyone. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is our Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.